Hey guys, we're trying to take a Schlage double cylinder, double keyed Schlage lock out. You can see there's no screws visible showing here. There's a key for this side. And there's a key for this side. We looked at a couple YouTube videos, but none of them showed us exactly what to do. So we kind of started to mess with it a little bit, and we found out that these are clips actually that covers the screw heads. It's a little rough to get out, but as you can see, once you take it out, you could get to the screws. It's a little difficult, but we're gonna be replacing this with a new deadbolt, one that has a thumb turn. Here we go. Okay, and that's how you get the lock out. We had no clue at the beginning what to do till we started to mess with the thing that was over the screw head, the filler. Okay, thanks for watching.